Learning English? Watch TV. Yes, really. Watching your favorite shows is a fun and easy way to learn. You hear real people talking. You learn new words without even trying, so grab your popcorn and let's learn. This isn't just about cartoons or game shows. You can watch anything you find interesting. Dramas, comedies, documentaries, they all help. Pick a show, get comfy, and let's begin. Subtitles are like secret weapons for language learning. When you're starting, put on the English subtitles. Now you can read along as you listen. This helps you connect the spoken word with the written word. Don't worry if it seems fast at first. You'll get used to it. As you improve, try turning the subtitles off for a bit. See how much you understand. TV shows are like mini plays. You see people using English in everyday situations. Pay attention to how they talk to each other. Notice the words they use in different situations. This helps you learn how to use English naturally. It's like having a conversation class from your sofa. Friends is a classic sitcom with easy-to-understand language. The characters use everyday words and phrases. Plus, it's hilarious. You'll learn about American culture and have a good laugh too. Listen to how Monica uses phrasal verbs like clean up or hang out. Notice how Chandler makes jokes using sarcasm. Friends is a fun way to learn natural conversational English. Section 5. The Simpsons. Doing it the right way. Don't underestimate cartoons. The Simpsons is full of funny everyday English. The jokes can teach you about American culture. The characters use lots of idioms and expressions. Pay attention to how Homer says DOH when he makes a mistake. You'll hear that phrase everywhere. The Simpsons proves that learning English can be fun and silly. Section 6. Extra tips for TV time English. Here are a few more tricks to make the most of your TV time. Start small. Watch for 15 to 20 minutes at a time, then take a break. Write it down. Keep a notebook handy to jot down new words or phrases. Repeat after them. Pause the show and try to say the words or phrases yourself. Remember, every little bit helps. Section 7. Don't just watch, listen. English is all about sounds. Pay close attention to how native speakers pronounce words. Notice their intonation, how their voice goes up and down. This will help you sound more natural. Try watching with and without subtitles. This trains your ear to pick up the nuances of English pronunciation. Section 8. Practice makes perfect, even with TV. Don't be afraid to pause the show and repeat what you hear. Try to imitate the actor's pronunciation and intonation. The more you practice, the more natural you'll sound. You can even record yourself speaking and listen back. Compare your pronunciation to the actors. Section 9. Keep learning and keep watching. See? Learning English can be fun. So turn on your favorite show and get ready to learn. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more English learning tips. Happy watching!